My family and I decided that we would set up a raised vegetable bed in our backyard. So I bought this kit on Amazon. It's called the Greene's Cedar Raised Garden Bed Kit or something like that. It comes in the mail in a large cardboard box, and it's got all these cedar boards with these corner joints that already have the dovetail joints cut in. So you don't need any tools, you don't need any saws or hammers or screws, and you just start assembling them by putting the first layer of boards and connecting them onto the corner joints, then add the second board on top of that, then the third and the fourth. It's made to be modular, so you can add it or expand it, and it took me under an hour to assemble the kit. The vegetable bed was 4 feet by 8 feet wide and long, and then it was 14 inches high. So here's the vegetable kit after I assembled it, and I put in a little bit of compost that I harvested from our compost pile in our backyard as the initial layer of soil. I also bought 6 of these plastic bags from Home Depot. They sounded great. They were called organic fertilized raised garden bed, and I thought it was a great idea. And when I opened up the plastic bags, they really just had compost in them, so I was a little surprised and a little disappointed too. But the great thing about compost is we have a compost pile in our backyard. We've had it for a decade, and it's great because you take the yard waste and the kitchen waste and leaves, and it, harvest it later, and it turns it into compost, which is really very healthy soil and great soil for a garden bed. Here are the decorative caps. You need a drill and a few screws to attach those. I'll attach those next week. Here's the finished product on the first day, and there was one corner piece that I was missing, but they eventually mailed it after I contacted the seller. They mailed it back really quickly, so not an issue there. So I realized I needed more compost to fill in the vegetable bed because I had only filled it in halfway. And rather than going back and buying more of those plastic bags, I decided to go to our town dump where they have a large pile of free compost. So I just drove my car over there with a few containers, a few trash cans in the back, and a few recycling bins, and a shovel, and I got three carloads of compost for free. So this is awesome. I also wrote a blues song on my ukulele called the Compost Blues, so I'll include a link to that song at the end of this video. So here's one of the 3 carloads of compost that I brought home. And I used all of this compost to fill in the vegetable bed. So this is a great project. We're hoping that this will allow us to learn about growing vegetables and get some food for a kitchen in the process. Some vegetables. We actually bought some seedlings, some tomatoes, zucchini and squash, and we also planted a few by seed. We planted some cucumbers and some other tomatoes as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. Also, if you have any tips on growing a vegetable bed, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Please check out any of the videos on my channel. I think I have some videos on an organic lawn care playlist that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and here's the final product of the vegetable vegetable bed. Thanks for watching.